Hi, this is Angelo Seminara, Goldwell Global Ambassador. We are here in the Salon in London, in Knightsbridge. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a beautiful look for you today. It's a mid-length and I'm going to actually show you my model here. So what we have done here, we have pre-bleached the hair and then now we're going to put a little toner. What I want to have this more three-dimensional. I personally am a big fan of like having a little bit of root area left, you know, and it just makes, especially on textured looks, on layered haircuts, it makes it look really, really beautiful, I think. And I'm going to show you a very interesting curling techniques where we're going to be using different size of tongs. We're just going to use a little bit of curly twist and we spray not too much and then we re-dry the hair. So this is your section. We're just going to leave this little bit of hair through there. We'll use the tongs. This is a perfect hold and it's great for this. So the important thing is that the hair gets really, really nicely toned, which means the section needs to be hot. You can see we have 3 different sides and then we're going to alternate everything. And that's it. What we're going to do now is really important. We're going to dust a little bit of this ultra volume, very fine powder like this in the hair, which I love. Just grab all the hair like that and just pull everything back with your hands into kind of like a ponytail. Just feel this beautiful ponytail here, yeah? And we're going to tie the hair. So we just take the hook and we're just going to hook it into the hair and then we're going to just hook it onto the base. So this already is giving me this really nice feel. Then what we do is we're going to start pulling bits out, just like this, and all this chaos you can see. You just use a little bit of hairspray on the comb like that. Just go here, just a little, just to give that little bit of kind of wet finish. Just there, a little bit. Work on the texture, you know, just make it really, really beautiful. You can go back in like 5 minutes and just work a bit more on it and it just looks more beautiful.